Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. This is Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in beautiful Missoula, Montana, with a quick look and walkthrough of this brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine. This is the 2500 RL, RL standing for Rear Living. Let's get started.
Welcome inside the brand new 2500 RL by Grand Design Imagine. Starting off, we're going to start off here in the kitchen. Lots of counter space, even more counter space with the flip up. More into the kitchen, you have the deep sink for when you're doing the dishes after the kids make a mess. Over to the stovetop, you have your splash guard and your stovetop cover. Make sure that's down while you're traveling so you don't break anything. Grand Design really thought of a cool thing here with their pots and pans holders. Makes it nice so you're not breaking cabinets. Got your entertainment center with your big Roku TV for the kids when they want to watch Netflix. Moving over, we have our theater seating. Heat and lights and vibration for that long afternoon after you took that big hike. Dinette for extra sleeping. You have more space so you can sleep those kiddos or your friends, up to you. And then you have your Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. Moving from the living room into the office, formerly known as the bathroom, you got your porcelain throne. I'm about 6 feet tall. Shower, plenty of room for me to spin around, shower. Got your skylight. Down into your vanity with your sink when you're brushing your teeth in the morning. You got your lights and your fan up top. And into the bedroom, you have your fully walk around queen size bed with plenty of storage, his and hers. And then you have your cell phone chargers as well. On the 2500 RL Grand Design Imagine, it is featured with the 4 Seasons protection package. What that entails is you got the fully laminated walls, double insulated floor underbelly, double insulated roof, also a double insulated front cap, and heavy duty insulated baggage doors.
Well, there you go, a quick look and walkthrough of this brand new 2023 Grand Design Imagine 2500 RL. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios.